So guys, I'll be teaching you how to log in your Google Voice. So first step you have to do is to on your VPN down. As for me, I'm using VPN. You can use any other paid VPN, but don't use free VPN, please. So once you're on your VPN, go to your login, your first email. This is the first email at the top, and this is the password at the middle here, and this is the recovery email plus the number. You can see it's very clearly. So copy your email and open your Google Voice app. So once you open it, just click here and add another email, add another account. So continue. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and YouTube. So paste the email here and click continue. This is how to log in your Google Voice. It has no stress. So enter your password. Your password follows, please. So copy it and paste it here. So you are saying the account has been added successfully. If you are using free VPN, Google might ask you to confirm your recovery email, or they might ask you to add number to your Google accounts, so that they can verify you are the owner of the account. So if it shows confirm your number, or maybe you should add any number to it before you sign it, please don't use Nigeria number that you have been used before. Find a fresh number that has not been used to avoid being blocked. So as I'm saying, in this process, you have already signed the email account and you see it as the display below this place. So click continue. Have you seen it? So once you click continue, click skip at the downside here. Click skip. So allow. So you have clearly see it now. This is how you can log in your Google Voice without no stress. You can see it here. So if you want to make call, go to settings here. Hit 3 dots at this corner. Click settings. Once you click your settings, under this call, you will see make and receive call. Make and receive call. Click it and click the first one. Allow. Click the first one. Prefer Wi-Fi and mobile data if you want to make call. Have you seen it here? So then back, you are good to go to make call. Then if you want to open WhatsApp with your Google Voice, to open WhatsApp with your Google Voice, they can give you access to open it, or you might not be. It is 50-50 to open, where to use your Google Voice to open WhatsApp. So to use your Google Voice to open WhatsApp, you can simply send you can simply set your Google Voice as you can set your Google Voice as voice records, so that WhatsApp will send a voice note to you. Okay, put it on do not disturb. Put it on do not disturb. Just turn it on like this. So once you open your WhatsApp and you want to send verification code through the WhatsApp, don't send SMS. You send call. So once the call enters, it will not drop as SMS. It will not call, but it will only drop as voice note. So if you want to hear the voice note, you click this corner here, this corner.
If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Google Voice accounts are still available. You can purchase high-quality accounts from us, and if there are any issues, we can replace them for you.